Longleaf pine trees are magnificent trees. 200 years ago, the southeast United States dominant tree was the longleaf pine tree. It reigned over 60 million acres and was among the most plentiful trees in another 30 million acres, ranging between Virginia and Texas. Now they sparsely populate only 3 to 10% of their original range. It must have been beautiful exploring this country with all these gorgeous trees being the original skyscrapers. The longleaf pine outranks other pines by being more fire, drought, pest, and disease resistant. They also have the largest cone of any pine tree. Their only real threats are the pine shoot moth, pine bark beetle, sawflies, borers, humans, and pine weevils.